Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to buy Toncoin on a Telegram wallet. Telegram wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet integrated within the Telegram messaging app. It allows users to manage, send, and receive cryptocurrencies directly through Telegram. Alright, let's get started. Open your Telegram wallet. To buy crypto, you tap on Add Crypto. Here you have three options: bank card, P2P market, or external wallet. If you want to buy using your credit card, you tap bank card. Choose the asset to buy. Let's say Toncoin. Enter the amount you want to purchase and tap the buy button here. Then you will be redirected to Neo Crypto, which is a trusted wallet partner. You input the information needed and proceed with the process. You can also purchase crypto using the P2P market. A P2P or peer-to-peer market on Telegram is a platform within the Telegram messaging app where users can buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly to each other without the need for an intermediary or centralized exchange. Here, you can buy or sell your crypto. To purchase, tap Buy. Then you filter by crypto, currency, payment method, and so on. Let me select TON for crypto, EUR for the currency, and filter the payment method. You can use Revolut, Wise, SEPA Transfer, and more. Here, you will see the price per token, the merchant's name, number of trades available, limits, and supported payment methods. Once you have picked your merchant, you tap Buy. Enter the amount you want to buy. Then you specify the payment method you want to use here. Just click the Buy button to proceed. Lastly, you can deposit crypto via external wallet, which I usually do. Let's pick Toncoin again. Here, you can scan your QR code or copy your deposit address. Let me copy mine. Next, go to your external wallet where you have the fund. In my case, I will use my MEXC account. By the way, if you haven't signed up on MEXC Global, please check the video description for the sign up link to register and get up to 1,000 USDT as a beginner's reward to claim. Choose the same token. Paste your deposit address here from your Telegram wallet. Make sure you choose the same network. Depositing TON on Telegram wallet does not require memo or tag. Enter the amount. The minimum is 3 TON per transfer. The withdrawal fee is 0.01 TON. Once all is set, you tap confirm and proceed with the withdrawal. That's how you buy or deposit TON on Telegram. If you have questions, feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. I'll see you in my next video.